Hey, here's a video of the computer that we just got from eBay. And that's the part number. This is the new one. I mean the old one. The one we just replaced. And you can see we already programmed it to the vehicle with our scanner. But we have a little situation with the engine. It is misfiring in all the cylinders. And as you see, our PID over here, you see it's running. Check engine lights on. Got misfirings in all the cylinders. And the only reason that we had on the other one was mass airflow sensor code stuck on that one, which we don't have the mass airflow sensor code anymore. Apparently it's possible bad computer over here.